2 mangoes, a blender, condensed milk, all-purpose cream, rock salt, 2 plastic bags, and ice. So first, let's peel the mango. So I already peeled the mango, and now we're gonna add it to the blender. So after that, we're gonna add condensed milk, but I'm only gonna pour half of it because I don't want it to be too. So make sure it's locked properly so your shake will not spill. For the second ziplock, I'm going to be adding ice. After we've added all the ice, we're gonna add the salt. So after that, we're gonna put this one inside. Let's put more ice. Okay, so let's lock it. So let's open up the bag. Woo! Frozen! So now we're going to divide it. So good. We'll let it the iron taste.
Wow, wow.
At least I good. Homemade